Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of something went wrong on Snapchat. To know how to fix or how to solve something went wrong on Snapchat, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window or to the app of Snapchat and you click here. Then this page of app unfold, we click on first stop and we click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click manage storage because that can delete your data. And in the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.